Remote Start allows you to start your 2016-2022 Honda Pilot's engine from outside the vehicle using the key fob. This warms up or cools down the cabin for up to 10 minutes. It's designed for safety and convenience, automatically shutting off if doors are opened or the timer expires. The key fob has lock, unlock, panic, and a remote start button with an engine icon. Prerequisites include the vehicle being in park, doors locked, hood closed, and no keys inside. The system uses a secure radio frequency signal to prevent signal interception. Note, features may vary slightly by trim and software version. To remote start your Honda Pilot, first press the lock button on your key fob. Then immediately press and hold the remote start button, marked with an engine icon, until the parking lights flash. The engine will run for 10 minutes, warming or cooling your cabin. To extend the runtime by another 10 minutes, repeat the process while the engine is still running. The system won't work if the key fob battery is low, you're out of range about 80 meters, or if safety features detect an issue like an open fuel cap. If remote start fails, check the key fob battery and ensure all doors, hood, and fuel cap are securely closed. Consider using the Honda Link app for remote start if your Pilot has it.